makita yung awkward kissing scene ko. But that was the time of that was the 80s eh. So, mga lioness ang hairstyle noon. Tapos, anong tawag dito? Yun na nga, di ba, I was parang, my image then was stereotyped to be the damsel in distress. But Mike wanted to show some skin. So, yung slit na lang ng skirt ko, hinabaan para makita yung legs.
Pero madam,
it was fun. It was fun.
Madam, sumayaw po kayo dito, di ba?
Yes, may aerobic scene.
Oo.
Sumayaw kayo, tapos kumanta kayo.
Kumanta pa.
Oh,
it was a good mix of music. You know, it had a very good story. It had a very good script. It was mounted very well. And there was a good use of music.
Interview.
Mike was able to mix in a very coherent manner all these elements to make one great film, Kakapal.
Pero madam, what is true now? What is true then that is still true now about the film?
That I believe technology, no? Technology gives us advantages, a lot of advantages, but if not used properly, technology also has its bad and bad side. So it's the perspective, it's how we see technology. If we put it to good use, okay. Pero pwede rin masama ang motibo, magagamit mo rin sa masama dito. So, dapat tama pa rin yung paggamit ng teknolohiya. Kasi this is about the advancement of how Japan then, no? I mean, was leading the research in the field of technology. Yeah. So, you know, with the digital evolution now, daming nangyayari. Parang magagamit din natin sa hindi maganda, pero sana gamitin na lang natin sa maganda.
Last na lang po, ma'am. Invite na lang po natin yung viewers. I believe na ipapalabas po natin sa Rockwell by 2016. 2016. Okay. Lalo na po yung mga younger generation.
Sa mga kabataan,